Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Indy EVO off and doing a 10-second reset to clear pairing. Use a tri-point screwdriver and plastic spudger to pry the shell. Pry gently because clips are fragile. Once done, keep screws ordered and document orientation with a photo so you can reverse the process. Make sure to work on a clean, flat mat under bright light so small springs and contacts don't disappear. This speeds reassembly and prevents damage. You now inspect internal parts: battery, flex cable, driver, and contact springs. Corrosion or tears are common failure points. Use a soldering iron at low temperature to remove broken wires and replace the flex cable or battery with a matched part. Once solder joints are cooled, test continuity and resistance with a multimeter to confirm connections. If resistance is high, reflow the joint. Make sure to align the drive. You reassemble by seating gaskets and aligning magnets so the lid and buds close flush. This protects connections and charging pins. Once closed, charge both buds and the case to full, then pair with your device and run audio and mic tests. Check left and right channels separately. If issues persist, inspect solder joints, measure battery voltage, and verify the Bluetooth module seating. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent sound often means a loose flex cable. Reseat or replace it and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.